So I'm riding down the road, minding my own business, and very rapidly from behind comes a Nissan 350. He tailgates me for quite a bit, backs off every now and again, but keeps on revving up and coming up behind me. So after a while of this, I decided I would just, take off on a random road, and he decided to follow me. Right about here, I started hearing a hissing noise. What? And it was basically... So obviously, I'd punctured a tire somewhere. So I had to find a place to pull over. And of course, he starts catching up to me. And zooms on by. So now I've got to get out and check my tire. It sounded like it was coming from the passenger front. And sure enough, I had a nice little hole up there. So I moved to the closest intersection so I'd have some room to actually work and I wouldn't be blocking someone's driveway. The GT500 does not come with a spare because of the staggered tires. Therefore, what you do get is this. You've got a compressor, and it also has a fix-a-flat. This black hose right here is for the air, and this other hose is for the fix-a-flat. Usually that expires after a couple years buying the car, and people don't usually use them or even replace them. I tried to use it, and of course it didn't work. But it did work to inflate the tire once I was able to repair it. That's where we come to a very important thing you must have in your car. You should always have a tire repair kit, a plug kit, available in your car. If I didn't have this, I would have been dead out there. Without the compressor and the ability to fix the tire, I would have been stuck or had to call a wrecker or had to call a friend. I was running out of air quick, so I knew I was going to have a flat if I didn't act quickly. And here's a good note. Learn this lesson from me. Don't run your air compressor without your vehicle actually running. Because I ran my battery down, so I now had a dead battery. Thankfully, there was a guy at the house right next to where I was, and he was willing to come over and give me a jump start.
I have those kind of days all the time, man, so I would hope somebody would help me with it.
What kind of, do you care about what brand do you, or what? Because there's a bunch of different sport tires that are available through different brands and stuff. Do you care about mileage rating, or do you want just a good sticky sport tire?
I want a good sticky sport tire.
Because you said you had a GT. Okay, so I mean, the best sticky, like, sport race tire that's going to be out there is going to be a Pirelli.
Yeah, that's what I have on there right now.
Do you like those? Do you like the way they handle and ride, or no?
They're fine. I'm just trying to find somebody that's got a set available.
I've got them. I've got Pirellis here. Are you wanting them done today, or when do you want to get them done?
If possible.
If you can come over here, like, now, we can get these done.